Hello power users, Zbigniew Lukowski here, and in today's really quick tutorial I want to show you how to hide the top nav bar which you have in your power app in order to for a power app to look just the same as regular website or any other app without the knowledge of the user that this is the power app. So we are talking about this violet top nav bar, which is for some users it's really annoying and maybe they don't want to see it. If you are looking at your link, you have a couple of things there. After the question mark, the link is starting to have parameters, which the first is with the question mark, and next, as you can see, are with the end. So there are a lot of those parameters, and actually the violet navbar is one of those parameters. So what I advise you is not to use this at the end of the link, because in some cases it may not work. I actually don't know why. So if you know why, I will be grateful to enlighten me why, but it will always work for the first parameter. So in here you want to go with the height navbar, which is a Boolean value. So we'll do it equal true. And then of course another end for the next parameter, press enter. And as you can see, there is no navbar. So you just need to give your user a link with copy of this link, or just create a deep linking with another parameter, which will be either hard coded by you, or you will get this parameter a possible change between values, whether or not you want to show them or not, based on your criteria. So it's your choice. Thanks. This was really quick. Hope that was informative. Zbigniew Lukowski out. See you.